Hey guys, happy Thursday. I have been asked a couple times since I posted, I don't think it was actually this one. This one is my Black Hungarian. But since I posted that this was a 2-month-old plant, it was actually a cayenne, but they're the same age. I planted them all at the same time, and everybody's asking how. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. I'm actually gonna use avocados as the example. So when I plant these guys, it is, here we go. All right, so this is what it looks like when I plant them. So it's seed and they get one rod. Then when they start to come up, generally with avocados, it's about 3 weeks. You'll have a taproot within 2 weeks. You can see them on the bottom, and then they start coming up normally about 6 to 10 days after that, just depending on the type. The bacon actually come up quicker than the Fuertes, Gwens, Mexicolas, things like that. I don't know why. So it's gonna start growing, and when they get to the top, I'm gonna go over here. When they get to the top of the copper, and as you can see, there's a couple of them that are over. Yesterday was chaos, and all of them were below the copper 2 days ago. It's so awesome how quick these grow. So as soon as they get over the copper, generally they're gonna get replanted into the 1 gallons, and then they get 3 rods. This one was a test. I was seeing if it made any difference. It doesn't seem to, but I do 3 rods. So this is a 6 gauge, and they are 10 and 12 inch. We actually did 2 different rounds of cutting. One of them was 12. Most of these are gonna be 10s because this was the second and third round that I was using. So from there, I let them grow, and basically it's until they start producing, look root bound, or I'm ready to put them outside. I actually did just put a couple of them outside. This guy just got repotted. I literally just moved it over, and you can see we've got the rods in there. I think I only put 2. I've got to grab a third one. So I just do it in a triangle. You can see. Now the reason I do this, I was reading several electroculture books, and a lot of them have 2 that they use, but they use a diode setup. So it's actually with a zinc and a copper. I don't do that. I only do copper. So I started looking into it further, and the 3 in a triangle, pretty close to the root system, is also recommended. And when you have them outside, it's bigger, then it's actually a little bit farther out, and you would be doing it when I get to that point, I'll go ahead and start recording those also. I'm outside doing that later today, and then by this weekend I plan to have everything up so I can show you guys that. But when you're doing them inside, I do recommend the 3. These grow insanely fast with the copper and start producing. I also do manually pollinate all of these just because we're inside. I don't have any bugs that can pollinate them. So paintbrush works really well. Make sure you don't cross the hots with the sweet ones if you are planning on saving the seeds.